Hi there, welcome to BrowserHow. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to navigate to previous page or the next page in Chrome app on iPhone. Launch the Chrome app and say suppose you are browsing a web page and say suppose this is the web page that you are browsing, the BrowserHow website. And once you tap on this website URL, you would be able to see this back arrow at the very bottom corner, left corner, which is active, and the forward facing or the right facing arrow is deactivated. So if you tap on that back facing arrow, you would be able to see that you would be navigated to previous page or the home screen or the new tab screen, and the right facing arrow is now activated, which is the forward command. Now if you tap on that, it will bring back to the actual page that you have visited. So say suppose you have visited a lot of pages and a lot of links. Now this feature is really helpful. Now if you want to skip the line or skip the sequence, you can just tap and hold this back arrow, and it will display a list of all the pages that you have visited previously. Now say suppose I selected this one, which is the home page of BrowserHow. Now again the front facing arrow or the right facing arrow, forward arrow is activated. If I tap and hold that, you would be able to see there are two more pages that have access after the home page. So you can just choose any of it and it will directly skip to that particular page. So in this way you can use this navigation buttons in your Chrome app. That's it. Please hit the like button if you find this video helpful, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do. Thank you for watching and cheers.